Hello everyone. Today we are discussing Ansa cervicalis. This is a short essay question carrying 5 marks. So let us understand this topic and see how to write this answer. So if this question is asked, how to present this answer? You will be writing it under the following headings. You will first introduce the topic, what Ansa cervicalis is, where it is present. Then you will write the formation under the heading formation, that how this Ansa cervicalis is formed. Then you will say what is the distribution, what this Ansa cervicalis will supply. So you are seeing a loop of nerve here that is known as Ansa cervicalis. So this is present in the carotid triangle of the neck. It is ensheathed or embedded within the anterior wall of the carotid sheath, and it supplies the infrahyoid muscles. So this becomes the introduction part. Next we move on to the formation, how this Ansa cervicalis is formed. So you can see here that this is the hypoglossal nerve and this is a component of the carotid triangle. So this is the descending branch of the hypoglossal nerve which carries with it the fibers from the first cervical spinal nerve. So this becomes the superior root of the Ansa cervicalis. We have the inferior root of the Ansa cervicalis which gets its fibers from the second cervical spinal nerve and third cervical spinal nerve. So these will join to form the inferior root of the Ansa cervicalis. The inferior root will join with the superior root and form Ansa cervicalis. So let us see the distribution. From the superior root, the muscle, namely superior belly of homohyoid, is supplied. From the Ansa cervicalis, inferior belly of the omohyoid is supplied, then sternohyoid is supplied, sternothyroid is supplied. Now, from the descending branch or the C1, via the C1, the thyrohyoid is supplied and geniohyoid is supplied. So this was about the Ansa cervicalis. We will just see the orientation in the carotid triangle. So here you can see this is a hypoglossal nerve. This is the superior root of the Ansa cervicalis and this is the inferior root of the Ansa cervicalis. Superior root brings along with it the fibers of cervical first spinal nerve, whereas the inferior root has the second and third cervical spinal nerves fibers in it. So once the inferior root will join the superior root, it forms the Ansa cervicalis. So you can see here that the superior root, it is present. Superior root is present. It descends over the internal carotid artery and the common carotid artery, and the inferior root is present in front of the internal jugular vein, and it loops around the internal jugular vein to join with the superior root and forms the Ansa cervicalis. You can see here from the superior root, superior belly of homohyoid is supplied, whereas from the Ansa cervicalis proper, the inferior homohyoid belly is supplied, then sternohyoid is supplied and sternothyroid is supplied. So this was about Ansa cervicalis. Thank you so much for watching this video.